We are back, finishing up 5.3, and now we're talking a little bit more about rates and ratios and how to fill out these tables and figure out unit rates and all that. So this one, little story problem here. A chef buys 6 pounds of salmon fillets for $51. How much will the chef pay for 9 more pounds of salmon fillets? So my strategy would be to find the unit rate. So how much does 1 pound cost? And then multiply that times 9. So let's see how they do it. Using a ratio table, divide to find the unit rate and then multiply to find the cost for 9 pounds of salmon fillet. So they're doing it the same way I would. Cost in dollars, $51 for 6 pounds. That's what we already know. Okay. Remember, to find the unit rate, we want to divide by 6 because you divide by itself to find out how much it is for 1 pound. Okay, so if I divide by 6 here, I have to divide by 6 on the top, just like fractions. So 51 divided by 6 gives me 8.5. Now, in order to find how much for 9 more pounds, I just multiply the 1 pound times 9. And then do the same on the top here, 8.5 times 9. And you end up with $76.50 for 9 more pounds of salmon fillets. Second part, you buy 2 pounds of tilapia fillets for $16. What is the cost for 7 pounds of tilapia fillets? So again, let's find out how much it costs for 1 and then multiply times 7. Because 16 is easily divided into halves, fourths, and eighths, it is appropriate to model the rate using a double number line. This one you can do a double number line, or you can do a table. It's up to you. So we know that 2 pounds is $16 right here. 4 pounds is $32. 6 pounds is $48. We're just adding 2 on the bottom and adding 16 on the top. Since 7 is halfway between 6 and 8, the value halfway between 48 and 64 is 56. Now, this is one way to do it. You don't have to do it this way. Honestly, that's not how I would do it. I would still figure out how much it is for 1 pound. So I can see that 2 pounds is $16. So 1 pound is $8, right? So I just do 8 times 7, I get 56, which was there. So you can make one of these if that helps you. I prefer a table and some fractions, but totally up to you on how you do that. All right, let's take a look at some more. Is it coming up? Where is it? Nothing there.
Part A.
Lucky you.
A chef buys
Let's
6
see if
pounds
there's a
of shrimp
tutorial.
for $39. How much will the chef pay for 11 more pounds of shrimp? Using a ratio table, divide to find the unit rate. 39 divided by 6 is equal to 6 5/10. 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. So the unit rate is $6.50 per pound. Then multiply to find the cost of 11 pounds of shrimp. 6 5/10 times 11 is equal to 71 5/10. 1 times 11 is equal to 11. So the chef will pay $71.50 for 11 more pounds of shrimp. Part B. You buy 4 pounds of catfish fillets for $22. What is the cost for 9 pounds of catfish fillets? You can model the rate using a double number line. The cost for 4 pounds is $22. The cost for 8 pounds is $44. And the cost for 12 pounds is $66. The cost for 10 pounds is halfway between the cost for 8 pounds and the cost for 12 pounds, because 10 is halfway between 8 and 12. So the cost for 10 pounds is halfway between $44 and $66, or $55. Now by the same reasoning, you can find the cost for 9 pounds. 9 is halfway between 8 and 10. So the cost for 9 pounds is halfway between $44 and $55, or $49.50. Another way to look at this is that for every 2 pounds, the cost is $11. So for every 1 pound, the cost is half of $11, or $5.50, or 5.
Okay, I want you to pause it and write these down so you have these examples. These are going to be very helpful on how you solve it. And you can use these, like I said, but you don't have to. You can use these every time. Totally up to you on how you do it. But write these down, and so that you have these examples for you. They're also in the notes. Okay, so take a look at those and make sure you have them available.